Hello, in this video I'm going to teach you how to do a normal sleeve block. Now, without wasting time, we go to the measurements. I have the measurement of the person's armhole. So it's good to measure the person's armhole, but in case you don't measure it, we have formula for it, which I will show you later or in future. Now the person's armhole is 14, so I divide the 14 by 2. 14 divided by 2, we have 7. So I will fold with 7 plus 2 inches allowance. That is for the seam allowance. I've used 2 inches in order for it to rhyme with the body block. So we start by the measurement. First of all, I folded with 9 inches. Okay, let me mark out the 9 inches we are using. So now we measure the length of the sleeve. Before the length, I will bring out 1 inch for the seam taping, for the taping or the hemming, anyhow you want to do it. But now I do the measurement of the sleeve. I'm using 8 inches for this. So this is I mark out the length of the sleeve. So at the length now, we need to measure out 3 inches down. That is for the adult. For the person, you can measure the person from the tip of her shoulder to where the armhole starts. That is how I got these 3 inches. So with that, we measure that 7 inches that we have. That is her armhole. Round her armhole, divide by 2. This is 7 inches. So what we do now, we draw a line from the tip, the tip of the shoulder, to that 7 that you mark out. Draw a line direct. You measure it. What we have here is 8 or 8 with okay. We measure the 7. We have a quarter to 8 or 8 thereabouts. We have 8 inches. So that 8 inches you divide by 3. 8 divided by 3, you have a 2.6. That 2.6 times 2, because what you do here, you use a 2/3 of these 8 inches. So we have 8 divided by 3 times 2, we have 5.3. So we can use 5.25 here as the closest measurement for it. Then the 8, this one now, you just use your French curve. You don't need more thing. Always have a French curve. In this modern life, we use French curve. It makes it easier for you to do most of the thing. What you do, you use this edge, connect it from the tip of it to this 5 inches that we have, 5.25. Then turn it opposite of it, connect it to this line, to this point, this 7 inches. Here now you have your back armhole, the upside of it. It will connect to this place. So to get the front part of it now, because in most of the sewing, especially when you want to do a standard sleeve, you have to have your front and your back sleeve. So to get the front side, let me use my pen so that you have something else, so that you should be able to differentiate the two. That 8 divided by 2, you have 4. This is the middle, the 4. So you do the same thing you did for the back side. Connect this, use your seam, your French curve, connect it to that middle of your 8. Then the other side, turn it opposite side, still connect it to meet the 7 inches. So this is what we have now. This one is the front part, while this line is the back part of the armhole. Then I'm not forgetting the round sleeve. Let's say our round sleeve is 10 divided by 2, we have 5. Here you can add 1 inch. I always add 1 inch for my sleeve allowance, but you can still add 2 inches if you want to make it to connect with that one. So from here now I connect with this. So we have gotten our body block pattern. Now let me cut it out. We cut the back side first. This is the back side of it. Then you now trim out this pen line to get the front part of it. So I'll cut it. So this is the front side of your sleeve. If you check it, this is what you have. So this is the front part of your sleeve, while here is your back part of your sleeve. So this is what you get as your sleeve block. For my next video, I'm going to teach you. In every week I will be posting on different things I'm going to be doing with a slash and spread, but we'll start with a dramatic puffy sleeve that you can get through slash and spread. So expect that. I will be posting it soon. Thanks for watching, and come for more. If there is any question you want to ask and we'll work on it. Thanks for watching, and I beg you to subscribe and share. Thanks.